All right, heave, harder. Got it. Okay, easy now, easy.
A single alligator hide takes 72 hours of chemical treatment before it is even close to usable.
These scales aren't leather. They're keratin, the same material as fingernails.
Is humans. Meanwhile, the teeth get submerged in bleach baths large enough to swallow a car engine, emphasizing the scale of the operation and the intent. Most people assume alligator leather arrives smooth, but it doesn't. What comes in looks nothing like what ships out, and the gap between those two states is where this industry lives. The first step to prevent decomposition is a salt bath, which draws the moisture from the green hide, establishing the preservation process. After the brine soak, the hides are drained, leaving them saturated with salt and ready for the first major chemical removal. The rotating drum pounds the hides with a chemical solution, breaking down the keratin bonds in the scales. This is the fleshing machine, which mechanically removes the excess meat and fat from the hide. This is a crucial step for even chemical penetration. This is where the magic happens, with the now loosened scales being painstakingly scraped away by hand. And this is a process. A thorough wash removes the chemical residue, revealing the pale, raw leather for the first time. This step, often using chromium salts, permanently stabilizes the hide, giving it that famous wet blue color and the splitter slices the thick hide horizontally. The top layer becomes the premium top grain leather for luxury goods, while the bottom layer becomes...
The hides then enter another drum for a retanning process, which modifies the leather's texture and feel. The hide is now considered tanned. It is strong, stable, and ready for its final color. A neutralizing bath ensures the hide is no longer acidic, and this prepares the fibers to accept the final dyes. It is time to give the hide its final signature color, which is a pure matte white. The hide soaks up the dye, absorbing it deep into the pores, ensuring the color is rich and permanent. The hide is mounted onto a frame to be toggle dried, and this process ensures it dries perfectly flat without shrinking or wrinkling. The drying room is where the hides are dried with warm air, and this ensures they dry perfectly flat without shrinking. After drying, the leather is staked, and thousands of tiny mechanical fingers pound and break the fibers, transforming the stiff, dried material into soft, pliable leather. The leather is complete. It is now the iconic matte white alligator leather, ready for the world's most exclusive items.
While the hide finishes, the teeth undergo a separate, intense journey. The teeth process is now introduced.
The teeth are submerged in a concentrated bleach solution, and the chemical reaction is immediate and powerful.
The bleach bath reaction is clearly working. The stain is being visibly lifted from the tooth surface in real time.
The transformation is complete. The teeth look pristine and ready for the final polishing.
Burst. These pristine white saltwater crocodile teeth have been transformed from a muddy, bloody relic into a piece of natural art.
The finished hide is thoroughly inspected under bright light to ensure it meets the highest standards, and perfection is the only acceptable outcome. We carefully trim away any rough or uneven edges, ensuring a flawless piece of material that is perfectly shaped and ready for use.
This is what 72 hours of chemical treatment and hours of painstaking work produces, and this is the finished product.
The leather is carefully wrapped in acid-free tissue paper, preserving its surface and preventing any discoloration. The hide is now in its custom case, ready for transport.
It is secure and protected for its journey. The hide is now prepared, tracked, and labeled for its journey to a designer or a buyer who will value the hours of work that created it.
The cases are palletized and tightly wrapped in clear plastic to ensure secure transport and efficient shipment from the factory.
With precision, the forklift loads the final pallet. It is now secured inside the truck and ready for its journey to the customer. The journey begins. The product is on its way to its new destination. The transformation from swamp to showroom is complete.
This process from the swamp to the showroom is a testament to the raw power of nature and the incredible skill of the craftsmen and women who transform it.
The brutal reality of alligator leather is a process of immense patience and relentless work. The end result is a piece of nature captured and perfected.
Thank you for watching.
Welcome to Purely Industrial TV. The coolest place to see how your favorite things are made. We use high-tech tool to take you inside factory to see amazing machines in action. We do not just copy video from internet. Instead, we use a special human AI team to create everything you see. First, we do our homework to research how items like soap and food are made so the fact always right. Then we use amazing AI program to help us draw and build the factory scenes. Finally, a real person spent a lot of time editing the video and adding sound to make sure they are fun and exciting to watch. Every video is a one of the kind masterpiece made just for this channel. These videos are made entirely by us and not the other creators. While we use smart computer to help make the picture a real human, always the boss of the project. Everything here is meant to teach you cool fact about the world of manufacturing in a way that very easy to understand. Thank you guys.